Isn't this just the cutest little light you've ever seen? Hey, besties! I am so excited to show you MelodySusie's new 2-in-1 LED and UV rechargeable mini lamp. This thing is awesome. So, when we open the package, we got our basic instruction manual that goes over the how-tos, the frequently asked questions, the battery information. It just kind of gives you the once over the nail lamp very well, gives you detailed instructions. It also has warranty information at the end of the packet, which is awesome. I'm sure we can all appreciate when things come with a warranty, because you just never know. And then you have their socials on the back. Then in the box, we have a very, very long Type-C USB charging cord, which is always appreciated. And then we have the lamp. This thing is so cute. It is super slim, super portable, very lightweight. And you can tuck it away in just about anywhere. I mean, look at how thin that goes. This is also a 6-watt lamp, so it does give out a decent amount of power for how little this is. So you will flip it up to be able to turn it on. We got the indentation for your finger to sit, which I really love. And then here on the little light post, we have 2 LED lights and 3 UV lights, and they give off quite a bit of light for how little this is. So then we have the on-off button, the Type-C charge port, and our indicator light. You will just give that little button a tap to turn it on. And then as you can see, there is that little sensory spot on top of the light to switch it over. Another thing I love about this is after you do your 60-second UV cure, it automatically switches back to the LED lights, and then it will stay on for another minute, I believe, and then auto shut off. So this does take about an hour and a half to fully charge, but once you have it fully charged, you will get 2 hours of UV light use and 20 hours of LED light use, which I think is awesome. So to really put this thing to the test, I pulled out my Madam Glam Perfect Black, and I am doing just a nice thin coat of this to see if this little lamp will cure the black gel without wrinkling and fully cure it. So here we go. And it worked beautifully to cure. So I'm just going to do a little bit of nail art just to test it out. I should have charged this before sitting down to do my unboxing video, because in the middle of doing my nail art, it actually died. But this thing did cure the black gel beautifully. It works great for doing nail art and just hitting it for those little flash cures. They also say it works great for applying nail tips or extensions, for rhinestones and charms. You can also use it for sculpting gel, and then of course your nail art. I really, really like this little portable lamp. I think this is a must-have if you are doing your nails all the time. It will work great for applying your Gel-X extensions, or again, like I said, just doing the little flash cures while you're doing nail art. But I love that it has that little light on it as well. So if you are, say, on a road trip or something of the sort, and you're in a vehicle and you need to do your nails in the vehicle, you have a little bit of light, but then you can also cure at the same time. I absolutely love this, and again, would recommend it to anybody looking for a slim and portable UV LED light. You can find this on MelodySusie's website for $19.99, and I have a discount code which I will leave down in the description, along with the product information for this lamp. or you can get it off Amazon for $17.99. So about the same price. I believe it would be $17.59 with my 12% discount. So about the same price. Amazon has free shipping if you're a Prime member, whereas Melody Susie's website doesn't. So that is fully up to you on what you guys want to do. But again, yeah, I really, really enjoyed this little lamp. It is very comfortable to hold in your hand, or if you are doing a client's nail, it would be very comfortable for them to hold as well. It is just a really compact and powerful little lamp. So I think Melody Susie did great with this. If you guys would like to pick up this product, be sure to check out the description with all the product information and use my discount code if you want to save a little money. And if you have picked up this lamp, what did you think of it? Did you like it? Would you recommend it? Again, I really enjoyed this. I will definitely be using this throughout future videos while doing nail art, especially if you're doing like a press-on set, to be able to just set it down and flash cure it instead of having to hold it. Epic. I loved this thing. I really appreciate Melody Susie for sending this over for me to test out. And that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!